Land is looking super nice right now. Got all these yellow and purple poppies. It's crazy, man. Because I took out all these shrubs, you can see all the poppies really, really well. Camera doesn't do it justice, that's for sure. But this whole land that I cleared is all green, yellow, and purple. Whereas if you see over here, there's poppies over there too that are super nice. But then there's all these shrubs here that don't allow them to be seen, basically. But out here, they're out in the open. Check out this little batch right here. Got a bunch of purple ones. Super nice. One of my favorite colors. All the yellow ones. And the yellow ones go throughout everywhere. Looks like the purples just came up where I had taken out the shrubs and trees. Probably because they were little mounds. They probably needed a little bit more water. Looking good though.